Green screen editing is one of the most powerful techniques in video production. It allows you to remove the background behind a subject and replace it with another video, image, or visual effect. From YouTube videos to movies and gaming content, green screens are used almost everywhere. And in Adobe Premiere Pro, removing a green screen is actually pretty simple once you know the steps. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to use green screen in Premiere Pro step by step in 2026. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project or open an existing one. Now import your green screen clip, along with the background video or image you want to use. Place the background footage on the lower video track inside the timeline. Now drag the green screen footage onto the video track above the background clip. To remove the green background, open the Effects panel and search for the Ultra Key effect. Drag the Ultra Key effect onto the green screen clip. Inside the Effect Controls panel, use the eyedropper tool to select the green background color. If parts of the green screen still appear, adjust settings like transparency, shadow, tolerance, and pedestal to clean up the edges. For more realistic results, match the lighting and shadows between the subject and background. And that's your full guide on how to use green screen in Premiere Pro in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to remove backgrounds and create more professional video effects using Premiere Pro.